Welcome to the Messy Kitchen with your host, Miss G. Welcome to the Messy Kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the Messy Kitchen. Warning, warning, warning. Welcome to Messy Kitchen with Miss G. I'm your host, Miss G. Today we are going to be cooking homemade crisps. They're delicious and nutritious. So let's get cooking.
Thank you!
Beetroot is a root vegetable. Most people cultivate it because of its edible root. It takes 50 to 65 days for it to grow from its seed. The root is a red to purple colour. The beetroot's leaves are heart-shaped. Aww. The beetroot's leaves are edible. They taste like spinach.
What?
The beetroot is highly nutritious. It's filled with sugars which are rich in vitamin B6 and B9. These are really good for our metabolism and our brain. Greece, they use the leaves of the beetroot to bind up wounds. Oh, my finger. I'll just put a beetroot weave on it. There we go. That should do it. In the past, beetroot was used as a mouth freshener. Oh, what? It's true. They used it to eliminate the smell of garlic.
Uh-oh, stinky.
Fresh, fresh, fresh. Beetroot contains betaine. Betaine? 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 Yes, betaine. Betaine relaxes the mind and is even used to treat depression. It also contains tryptophan, which is found in chocolate. This makes us feel good. The red pigment in beetroot is used to colour strawberry jam, tomato paste, many sauces and strawberry ice cream. If you boil beetroot in water and massage the water into your scalp each night, it can cure dandruff. Beetroot, 'cause I'm worth it. Beet juice, which is the juice from the beetroot, produces natural dyes. The Victorians used beetroot juice to dye their hair.
What?
Potatoes are 80% water. In 1995, the potato plant was taken into space with the space shuttle Columbia. It was the first ever plant grown in space.
At 75%. Copy.
The heaviest weighing potato weighed 18 pounds. That's the equivalent to 73 portions of medium fries from McDonald's. In the early 19th century, the potato was very important to the Irish people. It was their main source of food and their main source of income. Most Irish people were potato farmers and sold their potatoes to different countries. But all that changed when the potato famine occurred. The Irish potato famine was caused by a disease called the potato blight. It was a fungus that attacked the potato crop and made it rot and turn black. Due to the damp Irish weather and the fungus being airborne, the blight spread really quickly, killing all potato crops, even those in storage. Large numbers of people had no food to eat because the potato was their main food source. Many people died due to not having food, or others left Ireland and immigrated to other countries like America, England, Canada.
Ireland is no longer a famine-stricken country. However, there are still countries today that are experiencing it. Many countries have massive food shortages. This is caused by people living in war zones, countries severely impacted by climate change and coronavirus.
Are the most environmentally friendly vegetables. They are really easy to grow and they don't require as many chemicals or fertilizers as other vegetables. Potatoes are a vegetable, but they contain starch, which is a carbohydrate, like pasta, rice and bread. So its nutritional value is similar to carbohydrate.
Wow.
The potato plant is usually pollinated by insects like bumblebees. Wow! The word potato comes from the Spanish word patata. That's it for today's episode of Messy Kitchen with Miss G. I really hope you enjoyed cooking today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly videos where I teach you guys to cook at home
and educate you with interesting facts about vegetables. Why wouldn't you want to subscribe? Hey, you, subscribe! Welcome to the Messy Kitchen with your host, Miss G. Welcome to the Messy Kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the Messy